In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create recurring tasks on Monday.com so you never have to manually duplicate the same task again. Whether you're managing weekly meetings, monthly reports, or daily check-ins, setting up recurring tasks will save you time and keep your workflow consistent. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, so you can set this up in just a few minutes. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Monday.com tutorials. Let's get started. First, open Monday.com and navigate to the board where you want your recurring task to appear. This is important because automations are created at the board level, so you need to be inside the correct board before setting anything up. Once you're inside the board, make sure it includes the task you want to repeat. If the task doesn't exist yet, go ahead and create it now. To create a new task item, click on Add Item within the appropriate group. You can name it something like Weekly Check-in, Monthly Report, Content Review, or whatever task you need to repeat on a schedule. Make sure the name clearly reflects the purpose of the recurring task, so it's easy to recognize when new ones are generated automatically. After creating your task, go to the top of the board and click on the Automations button. This is where all automation recipes are stored and where you can create rules that trigger actions automatically. Once the Automation Center opens, you'll see a variety of pre-built recipes you can use. In the search bar or automation list, look for the recurring task recipe that says, "Every time period, create an item." This is the key automation that allows Monday.com to automatically generate a new task based on a time schedule rather than a status change or manual trigger. Click on that recipe to start configuring it. Now it's time to set up the recurring details. First, choose the frequency. You can select daily, weekly, or monthly, depending on your needs. For example, if you want a team meeting task every Monday, select weekly and then choose Monday as the day. If you need something on the first day of every month, select monthly and configure the exact timing. Next, set the specific time you want the task to be created. This ensures the new item appears at the right moment, whether that's first thing in the morning or later in the day. Then choose the group where the new recurring item should appear. This could be something like Upcoming Tasks, This Month, or any custom group you've created on your board. After that, define the name of the recurring item. You can keep it consistent, like Weekly Check-in, so each newly generated task follows the same naming structure. This keeps your board clean and organized. Once everything looks good, click Add to Board to activate the automation. As soon as you do this, the recurring task setup is complete. From now on, Monday.com will automatically generate a new item based on the schedule you configured. No more manual duplication, no more forgetting important recurring responsibilities. And that's it. You've successfully created a recurring task in Monday.com. This is a powerful feature that can dramatically improve productivity and consistency across your projects. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Monday.com tips and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.